Bug through the floor of this hangar right here at the back. This corner over here, Brian, that I'm running towards. It was a zombie. He's going to the tower now. The tool building, tool shed. Okay, man, he's gonna come right at me.
Yep.
Please don't hit me, Brian. I'm prone. I'm on the right. Yeah, we're in hangar 1, closest to the thing. I'm on the ground, prone. If you're looking at it, Jake, I'm at the right side. If you see him, take a shot. Take a shot.
He's running still to the hangar. He's passing hangar.
Brian. He's got a shotgun.
Can't see him.
He's down.
Oh my god.